Hi, thank you for joining me in this guided meditation for self-compassion. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to be hard on ourselves, often expecting perfection or feeling inadequate. We all feel like this sometimes, carrying the weight of our own expectations and the judgments of others. But it's important to remember that you're not alone in this struggle, and it's okay to give yourself the same kindness and understanding you would offer to a friend. This meditation is designed to help you cultivate self-compassion, embracing yourself with kindness and understanding. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to settle in. As you breathe in, feel the air filling your lungs, and as you breathe out, let go of any tension or stress. Now, let's begin our journey to self-compassion. Start by taking a deep breath in through your nose and exhale fully, slowly through your mouth. And again, deep breath in, filling your lungs, and slowly breathe out. As you continue to breathe deeply and evenly, imagine a warm, gentle light surrounding your body. This light represents kindness and compassion. What color is this light? Notice the warmth, notice the color. With each breath, feel this light becoming brighter and more comforting. Keep going. Now, visualize this warm light slowly entering your body, beginning at the top of your head. As it moves down through your body, it brings a sense of peace and relaxation. Imagine the light moving down through your face, neck, and shoulders, releasing any tension it encounters. Allow it to continue flowing down your arms, chest, and back, filling every part of you with warmth and compassion. As the light reaches your heart, take a moment to focus on this area. Imagine the light enveloping your heart, soothing any pain or hurt you may be holding on to. With each breath, feel your heart softening and opening, allowing you to accept yourself as you are. Silently repeat to yourself, I am worthy of love and compassion. I am worthy of love and compassion. Visualize this light expanding outward from your heart, spreading through your entire body. As it flows through you, it washes away any feelings of self-criticism, judgment, or negativity. Allow yourself to fully experience the warmth and kindness this light brings. Know that you deserve this compassion, not just from others, but from yourself as well. Now bring to mind a moment when you were hard on yourself or felt inadequate. As you recall this moment, imagine surrounding it with this warm, compassionate light. See the light embracing this memory, offering it understanding and forgiveness. Silently say to yourself, "It's okay. I am human, and I am doing my best. It's okay. I am human, and I am doing my best." Allow the light to continue to soothe and comfort you, transforming any remaining self-doubt into self-compassion. Picture yourself smiling gently, feeling a sense of relief and acceptance. Let this compassion become a part of you, something you can carry with you in your daily life. Now take a few more deep breaths, feeling the warmth and kindness of the light within you. As you breathe out, imagine this light expanding beyond your body, filling the space around you with compassion and love. Know that you can return to this feeling of self-compassion whenever you need it. Now gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. And whenever you're ready, slowly open your eyes. As we come to the end of this meditation, gently place your hand on your heart and take a moment to thank yourself for dedicating this time to practice self-compassion. I know it's not always easy, but remember that self-compassion is a practice. It gets easier and becomes second nature the more you do it. By showing yourself kindness, you strengthen your ability to navigate life's challenges with grace and understanding. Carry this feeling of compassion with you throughout your day. And remember that you can return to this meditation as often as you need, whenever you need it. Sending you lots of love and support on your journey. You got this.